Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I just made a video on how to create this. And while it was loading, I just started kind of playing around with it. Sometimes I'm going to wish I could print colors like, laser engravers. We just can't do it. So I'm going to show you how to do a couple effects that would look cool in printing. We are going to get a rectangle, and we're going to fill it in with blue. I was just thinking a blue t-shirt, but then you could print this and then go to order and put it back a page. And then get your interactive fill tool, kind of go to the middle and just kind of go out. But then we're going to go right here and pick the optical fill. Let's zoom in here. And all you're doing is putting a little bit of white background in the center. And you could play around with this and have as much white or blue or, even a lot of other colors and have a lot of fun with it. Make the white or the white bigger and have just the corners. And then something like this over here, I just took the text, and because, let me zoom in here a little bit. If we grab it all right here, I'm going to set so this thing is almost 12 inches. I'm going to set my nudge factor on 12. That's not that big a deal, but we're going to go and make a boundary, and then we're going to move the boundary out of the way. And then I'm going to go up to Effects and Contour. I'm going to contour 4 times. Let's go 0.2 this time. And we got that. Now we can move it back just a little bit or not. And then you need to select this. Let's zoom in here. And remember what color you're going to use for the t-shirt or whatever. We need to go to Object and break the contour apart. And then just get your Smart Fill tool. And we'll fill the first one in with pink. Go right up here and change it to green. And this is where your artistic, that doesn't look very good. Let's do an orange. Let's do a lighter, well, we don't want a blue because we're going to color it blue. Let's make it a yellow. So the pink and the green don't look that good, but you get the idea. And then we can nudge that right back. And now that it's on the word, it doesn't look half bad. I still don't like the pink, but you can always change it out by clicking on it. You can see right here we have the pink. And let's make it a purple. There we go. Now do the same thing. Take a rectangle, and that's going to fill in this voided spot. Go up to Object, Order, back a page, and now you've got that blue. So this is what it would look like on a shirt if you just printed it. That would be still blue like the shirt. And of course, the child's name or the person's name instead of the word text. This one, you can't really, well, let's, tell you what, let's do this. Let's put it on top of our interactive fill tool and see what it looks like. Total different look. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.